All right, Kim, what we got?
Okay, we got some street corn nachos. Put you some aluminum foil down in your pan. We're gonna dump us some nachos on there. Okay, spread them out.
That looks great.
Here we got a bunch of nachos on here. Now in your bowl, you're gonna take 1 can of whole kernel corn, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to take 1 teaspoon of chili powder.
It's got a nice color.
Yes. Then we need 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Got that orangey tint, red. And 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon.
Looking good.
Okay, now we are going to combine that, and then we're going to put some lime in here. Let's get this all mixed up.
Nice. Look at all those spices.
Yep.
Or in Spanish, especias.
Okay, now we are going to take a lime and take the juice of the lime. Okay, you got your lime juice.
Mix
And
that
then
in there.
Now the last thing is a little salt and pepper before we put it on our nachos.
Makes everything better.
Pepper, salt. Now, another stir. Now we're going to take it and put it on our chips.
Nice.
Okay. Get all the spices out of there.
Looking good. And we just got to spread it around on top a little bit. All right, that's looking pretty good.
And now we'll take some Mexican style cheese. We're going to just make sure everybody has a little cheese on it.
Oh, yeah.
I think it calls for about 2 cups, but the nachos, so you want lots of cheese.
Yeah, cheese is a subjective experience, you know. Each person has their own
Yes.
journey.
Once you get the cheese on there, then take the chili powder, and we're just going to kind of sprinkle a little bit on the very top.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to bake it
It's got a
for
nice color.
10 minutes.
What? How much? 400?
Yes, 400 for
Okay.
10 minutes.
Awesome. All right. All right.
Okay, oh, look at there. Nachos look good.
They look great. Now time for the finishing touches.
So now after you get them set down, we're going to add some pico.
Just kind of spread it around on there.
Okay. Once you've got that, then you're going to take some
Cotija.
tortilla cheese.
They use this on Mexican street corn. It's so good. Oh man, this is looking good.
Okay, once you've got that, then you'll add a tablespoon of cilantro.
Muy deliciosa. All right, we'll let it cool down for just a second and we're gonna try this. Oh man, this is looking good. Look at that little dumpy. That is good.